It's New Year's. Are you thinking about getting some cardio equipment for your home? Today, we're talking home cardio with the man, Josh Man from Carolina Fitness. What's up, guys? I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness, and I've got my man, Josh Man from Carolina Fitness Equipment in Asheville with me today. Josh, how's it going, buddy?
It's good. It's pretty chilly up here in Asheville, but it's a good day.
I bet it is. So I like it. People are going inside now to do their cardio because it's getting a little too cold. And today we're talking cardio equipment for the home, and you got some stuff you want to tell us about. Take it away.
Yeah. Here we go. So what we've got here, we've got the Star Trek 4 Series recumbent bike, elliptical, and treadmill. Each of them are going to see, you're going to have a 10-inch LCD screen on it. However, if you're somebody that really likes technology, or you can't focus on, or you would rather not focus on the cardio work that you're doing, and you want to be able to, be on there for, like, you want to be on your your social media and things like that as you're working out. There are some different display options that we can get and look at for you. And there's the 10-inch LCD screen, which is what's on these. We've got the 10-inch touch screen, which would be a little bit more techy, but still not, the full immersive social media experience. Or you have the 15-inch touch screen, which would allow you to be on Facebook while you're running, or on the elliptical or recumbent bike, whichever.
Okay, Josh, so these are in your Asheville store, but we also have them available at all of our 5 locations. So if somebody, no matter where you live, where you're at, if you're interested in one of those, then you just shoot us a message. Let me know where you're at, and I'll hook you up with a sales rep in your area. Man, Josh, thanks for your time today. We appreciate you going over that. Hey, it's a very important time for people to be getting their home cardio equipment because, like we said at the beginning, it's getting cold out there, man.
It's getting chilly.
All right, buddy. Hey, we appreciate your time today. We'll see you next time.
Yes, sir. See you next time.